The rotate transformation, as its name implies, copies a toolpath and rotates the duplicate toolpath. For the part shown on the screen, the archery sights, there are 3 parts located on the fixture. I've created a pocketing toolpath which I'm happy with, so I'd like to use the rotate toolpath transformation to copy it to the next part. I'll select the toolpath transform operation. As the type, I'll select rotate. On the right side, I won't select either of these 2 options, and I'll leave the work offset numbering as automatic, because these parts are on a fixture with fixed distances between them. Since I only have one operation, it should be selected as the source operation. I'll select the Rotate tab, set the number of instances to 2. For the start rotation angle, I'll set the value to 0, and I'll set the rotation angle for the transform operation to 180. By default, the center of rotation is the part origin, but this won't work for my fixture, so I'll select Define the Center Point of Rotation option, and I'll select the midpoint of this line, and right-click to accept my selection. I'll accept these selections and exit the toolpath. The new cut lines look correct, so I'll save my work.